Get the table ready. She's gonna run like she never run before. She's gonna run up and down and...
Let me know when you're ready to give up, man. Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready to give up, man. Let me know when you're ready.
Krieger Machine Works. Championship barbecues for the regular Joe.
Barbecue!
Oh, perfect.
Alright, this is for all the marbles. The grand champion, Pit Boss barbecue sauce. Alright, we got it. Brandon Cormier.
Yeah!
It must have been the
Say boo!
Alright, Brandon, congratulations to you. Alright.
What do you say?
Jeff,
You say grand champion!
that's right. First of all, I want to thank my loving wife for being supportive
Praise
of
God.
what we love to do.
I got a cow, I'd like a pig.
I want to thank our sponsors, and most importantly, I want to thank all the guys who didn't show up. T. Wayne, Brian, Sam Harpool, Scoop. They knew who they are.
Thanks for not being
But
here.
yeah, Jeff.
Hey, good job, man. Great job. Praise God.
No, we
man.
wouldn't be
Praise
here.
God, man.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
And me, and me, and me, and me.
Good job, guys. It's a motley looking crew. Yeah, you can go ahead and walk ahead of me all you want. I'm polite that way.
Don't film Tom for you might break your camera.
He has broken them in the past.
Everybody get your tickets out, please. I want to read the long number here. 82771.
Okay, this is a Z-Man brisket turn-in, bunched all up at the top. I got a brisket though. I got a brisket. Ribs in the house. Ribs. Chicken. I think we're going with this one.
I can't hear you, so I will go fishing. Know that James and John, they bring good cats home. I'll sit with Mama, we'll talk.
Aflac chicken. Before, after. We got some brand new cooks here, and I've seen what they're cooking on that pit, and I'm just fixing to pack up and go home. Don't stand a chance with cooks like these around here. Why did you decide you wanted to do this?
I love cooking, and I got tired of my husband's friends telling me how good I am at it, so I decided to put up or shut up. So I'm trying it out.
That gumbo.
What's that? What's that?
This is just about what Jeff looked like last night after eating all that gumbo last night.
You want to turn profile so we can see what you're talking about?
Jeff ate so much gumbo and potato salad. He just got a large.
Was the potato salad in the gumbo?
Yeah, potato salad in the gumbo.
Yes.
There's there's some discussion going on about this whole potato salad with the rice and the gumbo. We had a fourth generation New Orleanian confirm that she had never heard of that over on the other side of the southeastern part of Louisiana. So I think we're trying to determine where this, because these guys are saying everybody does it. So we'll have to clarify what the exact ruling is on potato salad in.
Hey Carolyn,
Turn up my radio, listen to some more show. It's a long night. It's a long night. Next up, Tulsa, Oklahoma, where you feel left so many years ago. Only afraid to California, but I'm calling out tonight to let you know that I'm coming back in this time.
What are you doing?
I think I'll Jeff.
Thank you.
It's the Safe Food Cam.
Safe food cam, huh?
That's it. Look at that. That is pure Epicurean delight.
Think it's gonna pass?
I think you're gonna make it with that. Look at, ladies and gentlemen, how tenderly he mops it with such loving care.
It's my briskets, man.
A true champion loves his food.
It's all about how you rub your meat, Jeff.
It's all about the love. It's all about the love. If you love it, you will win. You can't mop with anger or anxiety. You have to mop with peace and calm and happiness. Happy meat. Goodbye, happy meat. There's going to come a time in your life when you ask the question in the quietness of your own space, nobody around. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Job you're doing.
Very good. Very good. Yeah.
There's the gumbo master right there, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, you can tell Brian left to eat his heart out. He's over bragging about what kind of gumbo he can make.
Come on.
Nah, he can't make gumbo.
No. Good luck, you guys. Good luck, y'all.
Same to you.
Thank you. Good luck to you too.
Same to you, Petcoon.
Thank you. That's my Cajun name, Petcoon.
He's the happy hippie.
That's the only thing I can tell you, buddy, is bend over.
Ah! Look at that. The doctor's in the house.
The doctor's here.
Good luck, man.
I really miss Brian coming around with Fort Chicken and
Good luck.
hugs and good luck. So good luck.
Let me give you a hug. I'm Brian's substitute. Good luck.
Oh, thank you.
Brian's substitute.
Good luck, y'all.
Good luck to you, Bubba. We ended up with 140 in the pot.
There you go. Good luck, gentlemen.
All right.
I'm Jeff down there in the big yellow portalet. I'm making a video too. How you
Hi,
doing?
Jeff.
How are you?
How you doing, man? Good luck to you guys.
Thank you.
All right.
He's saying I'm always with you. I am everybody.
That's so cool. How can you say there's no God?
Don't do that.
Is it any good?
Oh, it's delicious.
What is it?
It's chocolate cheesecake
Come on.
with homemade whipped cream and cherries.
You're kidding.
Yes, you better go get you some.
It's cherry cheesecake?
It's Black Forest.
Black Forest.
Jeff, get you another bowl of gumbo.
On top of the 3 gallons I've already had. Is it any good, Lynn?
Yes.
It is? Very good?
Yes.
Oh, that is pretty, isn't it?
That is pretty.
Everybody needs to be special.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rhonda. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Most of these people are old, so we don't let them play with fire. You know what I'm saying? So we just bring candles that are already blown out, you know, and they make their wishes and stuff. Not Rhonda though. Rhonda's not old.
29.
29.
She's really a Yankee.
Oh yeah, it's hot. It's gonna be hot.
Ooh, I need to get some of that.
Jeff,
Yeah.
see that man bowl right there now? See it?
Yeah, that's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. See, it's
Look at Andy's bowl.
it's potato salad.
Just doing
But
everything.
you're supposed to have the sausage in there, or is that an illegal procedure?
That's not illegal procedure. I mean, gumbo's everything you want to.
Okay. All right. See, you guys got that? Now here for the gumbo, we got the rice and potato salad. Look at that. See, there it is right there.
Oh, yeah.
Rice and potato salad and gumbo. And deep fried pork ends and so that sausage is good, man, right there. I'm telling you what.
Jeff's been talking about it all
Oh yeah.
Facebook. You bring those friends.
That's right.
I'll bring my show and tell.
Yes, please.
If you want to see what
not
pictures
do
look
it.
like, chicken competition will be at 12 noon, pork spare ribs at 1 o'clock, and brisket at 2 o'clock, and the awards will be in this area here.
You know how much fun that guy had
This is just going to be a comparison of the conversations. From the guys talking about Einstein theory to the women talking about how soft the cushions on the chairs are.
Yeah.
There's Joe.
Hey, man. H is Planck's constant.
Planck's constant?
Planck's constant.
Now, what's the significance of H bar?
Well, H bar is if you want to think of it this way, H bar is used a lot to talk about energy and energy states and, you know, what's allowed and what's probable. Remember, quantum mechanics is this probability thing.
Right.
And the bottom line is, after all is said and done, physics only is really valid down to H bar or so approximately after the Big Bang, if you will. So before that time, physics is not valid. It just doesn't. It blows up. It just isn't right. So physics doesn't explain anything except after that so-called time scale of about H bar, and there's some other constants in there. But it's about 10⁻43 seconds. So after that, that's what physics does. Before that, that's what the Supreme Being does.
What are you doing, Tom?
We're gonna make some gumbo.
You gonna make what?
Some gumbo.
Hey, Tom, I heard there's something interesting that, and now is that just as part of the state or whatever? Where you eat gumbo, you eat it with potato salad? Is that just this part of the state?
Yeah, put your potato salad on the side of your, inside of your bowl, on the side.
On the side of your bowl.
Eat your gumbo and get
What
a little
about the
bite.
rice?
Rice too. Put it right.
Rice and potato salad?
Or you can do it without.
It's gonna be an adventure. That's all I can say.
It will be.
Chicken wing gumbo?
Chicken wing gumbo.
Chicken wing gumbo.
It's gonna fly away.
What do you have to think about that?
It's gonna fly away.
Fly away. This is what happens when you got friends. Look at that, man. Fixing my trailer, helping me out. It's all about friends here at the barbecue world.
I'll make it a habit, Jeff.
That's it. Parker's a man right there.
I'm coming back and this time I'm staying home.
Okay, here's the tire that was on the trailer. You notice that gouge that's in there. Had a little trailer issues, had to replace the tire. Do a little work on there, and we got a spring situation with the leaves going on underneath there, so we got a little trailer repair needing to be done.